How to fill out taxes for the DoorDash on H&R Block. Hi everyone, here's how you can file your DoorDash taxes on H&R Block. So first of all, open any web browser and go to hnrblock.com. On the website, click on the login option, and after clicking on this option, you will need to enter your username, phone number, or email, and then click on continue to log into your account. Once you've logged in your account, gather all the relevant tax documents related to your DoorDash income. This includes your 1099 NEC form, which you should receive from the DoorDash. Also gather any other income-related documents, expense receipts, and records, and then select the option for the self-employment or the freelance income. Enter your personal information as requested by the H&R Block, and next enter your DoorDash income from the form 1099 NEC in the appropriate section, and this form should detail your gross DoorDash income. Deduct any eligible business expenses related to DoorDash work, and H&R Block will calculate your self-employment taxes based on your income and expenses. Self-employed taxes include the employer and employee portions of the Social Security and Medicare taxes. Review your tax return and make sure that you have accounted for all the income and deductions related to your DoorDash work. Once you're satisfied, you can file your tax return electronically. If you've earned income in the state that imposes income taxes, you will also need to file state taxes. And H&R Block can also help you with this process. And that's it for the video. If you have any questions or confusion, leave them in the comment section, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.